So, good morning to one and all present here. So, we are here today for the topic motivational talk. So, everyone has been giving their different views on the topic motivation. But I also have a perspective regarding motivation. So, let me tell you what I think of motivation and how motivation works actually for a person. So, before starting, I have three questions. I'll ask you one by one. Those who want to answer, just raise your hands. Number one, what is motivation? Number two, what is the difference between motivation and inspiration? Number three, how do we stay motivated all the time? Means that how or what helps us in staying motivated all the time. So we'll start with the question number one, that is, what is motivation? As you heard or as you analyze the word motivation properly, you will get the answer in this word. Within this word, that is motivation, motive. The word motive is the base for motivation. Motivation is baseless without motive. So we can say that motivation is a kind of a thing or kind of stimulation which stimulates us from within, right? And which helps us in doing the things properly, right? So here from we can say that motivation is in within us. Motivation is an inner state which helps us to do a particular thing in a proper way, right? So motivation is, again I'm saying that motivation is baseless without motive. So we can say that motivation is need based aspect, right? As and when or we can say that motivation is a bubble which could be burst after a need fulfills. I'll take an example. Number one, if a man is hungry from past 2 days, 1 day. So if a man is hungry from past 1 day, then what is his first priority? Whether he should listen to the motivational talks, or we should put some motivational content in his head, or there is something which could help that person in getting rid of his hunger. So if we will give that person a task which is related to his goal, he will do anything to achieve that goal. So we can say that as and when the person who is hungry get rid of his hunger, immediately the bubble of motivation will be burst, because his need is fulfilled and motivation will came to an end, right? So now we have question number two. What is the difference between motivation and inspiration? Or else we can say that, is there any kind of similarity between motivation and inspiration? If you know the answer, just raise your hand. So after I'll take your answers, I will explain the meaning of this. So motivation is a kind of, as I told you earlier, that motivation is a temporary in nature. Motivation is temporary. As and when a need fulfills, motivation will came to an end. But inspiration is some way and somehow is kind of a permanent in nature, because motivation instigate us, motivation triggered us for the whole lifetime. We can get inspired from someone, we can get inspiration from someone, and motivation is we can say that motivation is within us, right? That motivation helps us in a long run. So motivation is permanent, but the term leadership is permanent, but motivation is kind of temporary in nature, right? So now we have question number three. This is the last question that we will discuss, that is, how do we stay motivated all the time? It is very difficult to stay motivated all the time, as we have discussed earlier in our previous two questions, that motivation is need based. As and when our need fulfills, motivation will came to an end. But there are few activities which is called meaningful activities, which will stay us motivated throughout the life, or for a longer time period. Number one, we have to inculcate, or we have to develop a desire which is a strong desire, not anything that if I like Porsche Macan, this is my favorite car, Porsche Macan. अगर मेरे से कोई बोले कि आप इस गाड़ी को परचेज करने के लिए कितना पेन बर्दाश्त कर सकते हैं, दो आई विल से दैट नो पेन नहीं, मुझे तो कार चाहिए, मिल गई तो भी ठीक, नहीं मिली तो भी ठीक. सो दिस एटीट्यूड शुड नॉट बी देयर. वी हैव टू डेवलप अ स्ट्रॉन्ग डिजायर विद इन. If we are able to build a strong desire within, it will help us in motivating, in staying motivated all through, because that strong desire will stimulates you from within. That strong desire will helps you in triggering the things, in instigating you. So for this you have to develop a strong desire within. Number two, we can do some meaningful activities. As we know that there is, if someone say that do some meaningful tasks, but we are lacking time. कि मैं ये बोलूँ कि मेरे पास तो टाइम ही नहीं है, मैं मोटिवेशन मतलब अपने आप को कैसे रखूँ मोटिवेटेड. ठीक है, मोटिवेशन आता है, थोड़े टाइम के बाद फिर से चला जाता है. बट आई कैन स्टे मोटिवेटेड इफ आई कैन हैव सम मीनिंगफुल टास्क इन माई लाइफ. से मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, लेकिन वी हैव द टाइम्स इन द वीकेंड्स, मे बी ऑन संडे. सो आई नो दैट I'll be tortured throughout the week for 6 days, but there is a 7th day which is mine. No one can take this day from me. So on that day I can do some meaningful task which will give me immense pleasure, as well as to the others, for the ones whom I'm doing, or I will do some meaningful task. Say we can go to an orphanage, we can go to old age homes, which will give me immense pleasure in serving them, right? So I can serve them, I will serve them, which definitely gives me happiness, which definitely gives me motivation, because I know that the day which is Sunday, that is weekend, is mine. No one can take that day from me, right? If I'm getting tortured throughout the week, but there is a day which helps or which will give me an immense pleasure, so वो मोटिवेशन जो है वो आपका लाइव रहेगा, जिंदा रहेगा, because I know that 7th day, on 7th day I can fulfill all my wishes. On 7th day I can motivate myself. You can also develop few different habits, like you can go to play crickets, you can go to play different kind of games, which will definitely helps you in motivating you, or which will help you in staying motivated throughout the week, right? So this is how we can develop strong desire within us. This is how we can inculcate some meaningful tasks within us, or we can do some meaningful task which will definitely helps us in staying motivated throughout the life. So this is what I want to say, concluding my speech. Again, I am saying that motivation is kind of a thing which is temporary in nature, but with meaningful things, with a proper planning, with proper execution, I'm using the word I, but instead of I can use we. We can motivate ourselves throughout the week, throughout the month, throughout the life. So which will definitely helps us in staying motivated, which will definitely help us giving immense pleasure by doing our tasks, which will helps us, which will gives us happiness and others also. So by these words I will take you leave. Thank you so much.